Did you know the world's most famous supercar was created because of a single insult? Before it was a symbol of billionaire status, Lamborghini was just a brand for farmers. Ferruccio Lamborghini was a self-made tractor tycoon who loved his Ferraris, but their clutches kept failing. When he tried to give feedback to Enzo Ferrari, he expected respect, but instead, Enzo snapped at him. The problem is not the car, but the driver who handles it. Go back to your tractors and leave the supercars to me. Most people would have walked away, but Ferruccio decided to build a nightmare for Enzo. That insult changed history. Ferruccio didn't just want a faster car, he wanted a symbol of war. He chose the raging bull for the logo. It wasn't just a zodiac sign, it represented raw, aggressive power designed specifically to rule the Ferrari horse. He hired the best engineers, some even from Ferrari, and created the 350 GT. Within years, Lamborghini wasn't just competing. They were setting a gold standard for posters on every teenager's wall. The next time someone tells you to stay in your lane, remember the man who was told to stick to tractors and ended up redefining the sky. Never underestimate the power of a grudge.